Now I'd like to turn our attention once again towards the challenge of scaling tests to deliver business impact. To do this, I'd like to invite two more guests to the stage. First, a company that is literally driving change into the automotive industry. To tell us about the vision of feature to architecture, please join me in welcoming Lee Bauer from Magna International. Great to see you, Lee.
Good to be here.
Why don't you tell us a little bit about Magna and some of the shifts that you're seeing in the automotive industry?
Yeah, Magna is a global tier 1 automotive supplier. I think many of you already know that. What sets us apart, however, is that we start with a holistic approach with an entire vehicle. We look at then the hardware and software systems and then reach down into the assemblies and individual components. This provides us the necessary expertise and experience to understand the challenges that are facing automotive architectures. Historically, most vehicles have ECUs operating in silos, and this has led to vehicle-level inefficiencies. The shift to a more domain-centric approach, think ADAS, user experience, and powertrain, helped in some aspects by providing focus, but resulted in more complex software stacks, and we're working to change this. Our modern architecture takes a new approach. It moves away from domain-centric to feature-centric, or what we call feature-first. It then organizes the vehicle into zones, each with a high-performance computer on a common vehicle-level software platform, which is new to the industry.
So what design challenges are introduced by this new architecture?
Traditionally, the industry obviously has been focused on hardware. Our architecture shifts the paradigm in a way that puts the emphasis on software where the true challenges and opportunities lie. Having fewer, more powerful computers certainly makes sense, but the true power comes actually through a common software platform that provides much more flexibility to our customers to deploy and customize features over the life cycle. Having said that, it also introduces architectural challenges. Creating the platform that manages the networking, the communication bandwidth, and the data throughput for features that have different functional safety requirements. The good thing here is that the platform allows for less complex software stacks, since they now have a stable platform to run on. This is why we've been developing SmartBridge. So, what is SmartBridge? SmartBridge is an in-vehicle embedded software platform that is the first, feature-first software approach in automotive, in contrast to the domain-based approach you see today. The features are categorized according to their performance and safety needs. It is a vehicle-level solution using the holistic sense, think, act software paradigm that separates the features from the underlying platform. Think compute, sensors, and actuators. This simplifies the integration between different domains and utilizes a 10 gigabit Ethernet backbone for communication between the domains while providing connectivity so that the system can be managed with cloud-based vehicle twins. And importantly, it is based on open standards, which provides our customers with the comfort that the platform can support the vehicle life cycle while allowing others to build upon it easily.
That's a great example of how the modern vehicle is increasingly software defined. I know automotive technology is moving quickly, and this is no exception. How did SmartBridge Connect project unfold?
Well, you're right, it certainly is. When we started the project, we had a goal in mind. We were going to reduce complexity and certainly reduce cost. And we had some ideas on how to get there with respect to hardware and software. But we had no idea what the final requirements would ultimately look like. So it was imperative for us to find a partner capable and flexible enough to go on this journey with us, not just supply parts when asked.
So what was unique about working with NI on this?
NI provided the hardware and the software to build a flexible, almost vehicle-level hill system that integrated well with the various components across the domains. This allowed us to test the platform and the quality of the embedded software running on it, despite rapid integration and deployment iterations. From the start, NI made it a priority to understand and align with us on our vision. The NI team worked closely with several global Magna International teams, not only as a support, but contributing to the development of the complete SmartBridge Connect solution. From the first idea to a global turnkey system, it was not about meeting standards, it was about setting new ones.
I love how you're setting a new standard. Can you share some of your results and where Magna is now?
Absolutely. So the SmartBridge project, the platform with its core technologies, is gaining a lot of interest from customers, not just in automotive. It has also had a great impact across various groups within our organization. It was a true One Magna collaboration effort that was, I should say, still is, deployed and in use in multiple locations worldwide. A key enabler for us was NI System Link software, which allowed us to effectively configure and monitor all these systems at different locations, directly contributing to the project's success.
Thank you so much, Lee, for sharing these insightful behind-the-scenes details of such a remarkable project. I really appreciate you being here.
Thank you.